If you wake up with stiff hips, aching knees, or lower back tightness that makes your first few steps feel uncertain, please know you are not alone, and it is completely normal. You don't need a gym, you don't need to get down on the floor, and you never need to push through sharp pain. Today, right from the comfort of your favorite chair, we are going to unlock those tight joints safely together. We will improve your balance, restore circulation, and bring warmth back into your entire body in just 10 minutes. If you want to move with more freedom and independence, take a deep breath and settle into your seat. Before we take our first movement, drop a comment below and let me know. What age are you celebrating this year? And where are you watching from today? We love hearing from our community. Let's begin right where you are sitting. Sit tall near the front of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your right toes up toward the ceiling, then gently press your heel down. Now, let's reverse it. We are going to repeat this smooth motion 10 times to wake up the blood flow in your lower legs and ankles. Take it at your own pace. There is no rush at all. Wonderful. Now let's switch to the left side. Keeping both feet planted together, gently open your left knee outward and return it home. 5 slow, controlled repetitions. These gentle movements are specifically designed to protect your hips and improve lateral stability without putting any strain on your joints. Moving upward to our knees, keeping your back supported against the backrest, slowly straighten your right leg out in front of you. Hold it there for 2 seconds, feeling that gentle activation in your thigh, and lower it down softly. Let's do this 5 times on the right side. Remember, only go as far as feels comfortable for your joints today. Never force a stretch. Now let's transition smoothly to the left leg. Extend it out straight, keeping your breath steady and relaxed. Feel the muscle supporting your kneecap waking up safely. 1 more repetition. Excellent job. Building strength around our joints without heavy weights is how we protect our knees and maintain total independence day after day. Let's shift our focus to spinal mobility and back stiffness. Cross your arms loosely over your chest, or place your hands gently on opposite shoulders. Sitting nice and tall, slowly rotate your upper body to the right. Only go as far as your spine allows comfortably. Hold for a brief moment and return to center. Now, rotate gently to the left side. Let's repeat that stretch 1 more time on each side. Move slowly, like sliding through warm water. Now, turn your head gently to look over your right shoulder, return to the center, and look over your left shoulder. This helps clear away morning stiffness and keeps your neck nimble and comfortable all day long. We are past the halfway mark, and you are doing brilliantly. Let's take a quick pause here to reset. Sit comfortably. Drop your shoulders away from your ears, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly let it out through your mouth. Notice how your body already feels warmer and looser than it did just 4 minutes ago. That is the power of intentional daily movement. Now we are going to wake up our core stability and hip flexors with a gentle seated march. Lift your right knee just a few inches off the floor. Then lower it down with control. Alternate to the left knee. Keep your posture tall and proud. We are going to march gently like this for 30 seconds. This builds the exact core strength needed for safe balance. Keep breathing naturally as you march. If lifting your feet feels challenging today, you can simply lift your heels while keeping your toes on the floor. Listen to your body always. Every small step you take right now is an investment in your physical freedom and confidence. 5 more seconds of marching, and gently rest. Let's bring some mobility into our upper body and shoulders. Rest your hands lightly on your thighs. Inhale as you slowly sweep your right arm up toward the ceiling, reaching as high as feels comfortable. And exhale as you lower it back down. Now, let's do the left arm. This helps open up the chest and relieve tight morning shoulders. Continue alternating arms at a slow, graceful pace. Imagine you are reaching up to grab something from a top shelf safely. Keeping your upper body limber is just as important as leg strength for maintaining everyday independence. Let's do 1 more reach on each side. Beautiful, controlled movements. Now let's release tension in the neck and upper spine. Keep your shoulders completely relaxed and heavy. Slowly drop your right ear toward your right shoulder until you feel a gentle, pleasant stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it for a breath, bring your head back to the center, and gently drop your left ear toward your left shoulder. Let's repeat that rotation back and forth 2 more times on each side. Inhale as you twist, and exhale as you return to the middle. This movement is fantastic for melting away morning back tension, keeping your torso flexible. and helping you reach or turn with ease throughout your daily routines. Take your time with every single repetition. Let's work on our outer hips and joint mobility. Sit near the front of your chair with your feet and knees touching, keeping your feet together. Slowly open your right knee outward to the side, then bring it back to touch the left. Let's repeat this opening motion 5 times on the right side to lubricate the hip joint and ease stiffness. Wonderful. Now let's switch over to the left leg. Lift those toes up high and press the heel down smoothly. Notice how good it feels to just invite movement into your lower body first thing in the morning. Let's finish with 3 gentle circles of the ankles to the right and 3 circles to the left. Beautiful. Keeping that blood moving is the secret to light, easy steps. We have reached our final minute of movement. Let's bring everything together with a calming cool down. Sit back comfortably in your chair. Close your eyes if you wish. And take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale softly through your mouth and let all remaining tension melt completely away. Just look at what you accomplished today. 10 minutes of dedication to your own health, strength, and independence. You protected your joints, woke up your mind, and started your day with dignity and vitality. Remember, consistency matters far more than intensity. Showing up for yourself like this changes everything. If this routine brought you peace and helped your movement today, click the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly guides. Thank you for sharing your time with Timeless Elders Television today. Take care of yourselves. Stay strong, and I will see you in our next video.